Good morning, everybody. We're about to go into the duck blind, do some hunting, do a little Keto Savage hunting edition. We got Michelle driving.
Oh yeah.
We got Chris. Can't see anything out here, but we'll have to do some daylight footage because we can't see anything. What we got going on here, y'all?
Dude, we about to do some duck hunting, boys.
Do some duck hunting. We got the Mojos rocking.
Mama Whamma Mojo here.
Mama Whamma
Fat
Mojo.
Daddy.
Fat
Big
Daddy.
old girl right there. Biggest duck I've ever seen.
We got Echo, who's just here for looks. You can't fetch a duck. Riding in style. All right, y'all. We are in the duck woods, the duck swamp. About to kill some ducks. Right?
Oh yeah, we are.
This is a Keto Savage duck hunting edition.
Oh yeah.
We'll get more footage when the daylight comes because we can't see anything now.
Little mud right there.
Little mud. Got mud all over me. Get ready. All right, we're in the blind. What we got going on?
How's it going, folks? We're in the blind right here in England, Arkansas. We got a private lease. We just had 2 days of steady, hard rain. We're hoping they didn't drive the ducks out, but kept them down. This is the first day that we're gonna get some clear weather. Hopefully we're gonna be up and moving. So we're hoping to have a good morning.
Nice, nice. We got old Echo over there, freezing cold, bundled up. I like this blind though. It's legit.
Hey Chris, what happened to the gate here?
Can't see it yet, but we got our pool of water out in front of us. Our decoys set up. Let's kill some ducks. That's the kind of call you want on camera?
Will you relax?
Alright, so we just shot. We had a group come in. We killed two. It's two? Two. So we got our bird dogs out there right now. Getting them.
They're getting in. Easy. Okay. All right. There we go. Ready, take them. Oh. Y'all grab all the ducks, bring them in here.
Check it out, check it out.
Huh? The mallard.
Woo!
Yeah, we want to get them on video.
Yeah,
That's
buddy.
what I'm talking about, boy. 2 mallard hens.
Yeah, buddy.
First one's good.
Alright, y'all, we are done with the duck hunt. We got 5, was it 5?
5 ducks.
5 ducks. Successful hunt. We didn't kill a whole bunch, but we had fun doing it. Wouldn't you all say?
We did.
Yeah, what would we do different? Get close. We had a bunch of ducks, but they're all too far from us. So
our earlier predictions before we started of hopefully the rain keeping them down, I'd say that was true because we had a whole bunch of birds moving this morning.
yeah. We'll be back though.
Yeah.
Season goes for another month and a half, so we'll be back. What is going on, everybody? We are done duck hunting. We're about to have a Christmas themed Keto Brick party for the launch and just Christmas in general. We got me obviously here, we got Crystal, and then we have Dylan in the house right now, and Jack of course.
And you can see all of our Christmas decorations.
Yeah, well, we got the table. Woo. Boom, we're getting there.
It's perfect.
All right, so we got all the fixings for quite the meal. Miss Trish made some sauteed broccoli. Roasted. Hamburger meat.
Later he's gonna
All kinds of steaks. We're doing a dirty Santa today, so no telling what's in there. We got the majority of the crew here.
I wonder if he's losing some teeth and getting through it then.
He chewed on some even as a puppy.
Never loses.
Alright, we're playing Dirty Santa.
Robert never loses.
See what we got going on here. Start it, babe.
I'm not playing.
Rock, paper, scissors to start.
Alright. Who's rock, paper, scissors? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Uh-oh. Arkansas Razorback.
You want to see that?
Jenga.
Nice.
We're keeping
Jenga.
it. Jenga.
Nice. Alright, so this is the winner of the strange Secret Santa. We have a rocket launcher, play while you're sitting on the toilet, He's super excited about it. He wants this one. I don't know if I'm supposed to like just jam
Just
on
go
it.
play with it, you know?
Alright y'all, so everybody that was here for the Christmas party just left. It's just Crystal and I now. It was great, we had a good meal. We did like the little dirty Santa thing. It was fun. It's good?
Yep. It's very
It's
fun.
very, very fun. So we did like a Christmas themed, you know, cookout. It was good. I still have to work on clients, so I'm gonna do that. And we will see y'all tomorrow. Good night. I just realized that this is gonna go live tomorrow, which is the day that we're launching the bricks. So if you see this, the bricks will be live. Go get you some bricks. Everybody that was here tonight helps us make the bricks. We appreciate them. We couldn't do it without them. We had a couple people that couldn't make it. CJ and Kyle couldn't make it, but we'll be doing another one of these cookout. We try to always do a cookout right before or right after a keto brick launch, just to give everybody time to do something fun and de-stress after a lot of stress. So that's what we've got going on there. Jack's so excited he's gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna work on clients. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Merry Christmas.